and today I'm gonna kill people in public server with this ultimate weapon. So let me just join the public and mute my mic so nobody will help me.
Oh, you don't have any normal
And I'm gonna
ones?
use
like ones
this
from the
thing.
shop.
Yo, okay. And I'm gonna annoy people now. I just killed one person. I'm being shot. I'm being shot! Ah! No! Well, I died.
Touch this.
I'm gonna get my weapon back. Thank God they didn't steal my... Who says criminal when I'm doing a criminal? I'm doing a crime. I mean, yeah, a crime. That's what I'm doing. I'm annoying people. Bullshit. No! I mean... He's chasing me! He's shooting me! He's shooting me! I think he has safe zone here. He has safe zone. I'm gonna switch server. I already killed some people. Yo! Yo! You shall subscribe to me now! Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Being attacked now. What I'm doing, this video is about killing people across the map. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do, yo. My game! Got to switch cell. Did I just hit someone? Next server! This is next server. I don't think it was. I was drunk in the house, we're drunk in the house. I miss it all now. I was looking for the truth, then I found the truth. And heaven, I am wacky now.
Why are there so many green fish, man?
That cell was modded. I'm gonna go out of cell. No, empty cell, bro. But I'm gonna search for him.
You wanna look at your trader stat? Me? Yo, he has these off. Yo, what, how are you? Come that.
I wish I could get creative, but I never go. Because I'm eating paprikas for reals. I'm gonna get bad. I'm gonna get bad. I'm gonna get bad. I'm gonna get bad. Creative hat is my dream, but I never get it because I'm grieving. If we call for you guys to subscribe to me, please subscribe. I'm gonna get banned, I don't wanna get banned. I just wanna grieve, and that's it. I just wanna grieve. Oh my god, oh. I'm gonna get hunted now in the Republic. Someone has something. Someone has a weapon. I don't know what is this weapon? Or has some strange weapon. Is that space? Space is so visible there. It's so visible that even my grandma will see it.
Guys, help me, help me. I'm in the trap.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Help me.
What happened? Okay, I'm gonna switch server. Next server. Oh my god, that was okay. I killed some people. I'm killing everyone. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like, subscribe, and make sure to comment down below which video should be next about.